Hi, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare one of my favorite summer salad recipes, Mediterranean quinoa salad. This recipe is inspired by the Mediterranean diet pattern, which emphasizes the inclusion of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other plant-based foods. As such, this colorful salad is packed with fresh veggies and nutrients, including fiber and vitamin C, as well as some vitamin A and iron. Being low in saturated fat and sodium, this recipe is not only simple and delicious, but also heart healthy. So here's what you'll need. For the salad, 1 cup of grape tomatoes, 1 red onion, 1 cup of quinoa, 1 medium cucumber, and a 15-ounce can of chickpeas. For the dressing, you will need 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and the juice of 2 lemons. For tools, you'll need mixing bowls, a colander, a small saucepan, a juicer, a paring and chef's knife, measuring utensils, a whisk, cutting boards, and a vegetable peeler. So let's get started. You will begin by cooking the quinoa. Measure out 1 cup of dried quinoa in 2 cups of water. Combine in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. When the quinoa comes to a boil, reduce heat to simmer and cover. Allow the grains to continue cooking at this heat until all of the water has been absorbed. As the quinoa cooks, it undergoes a process unique to starches called gelatinization. This occurs when starch is mixed with water and heated to a temperature high enough to break the hydrogen bonds within the starch granules. This then allows the water to enter the starch granules, causing them to swell. This explains why 1 cup of quinoa dry yields 3 once cooked. Once all of the water has been absorbed, the quinoa is done and can be set aside to cool. While it cools, you can proceed with cutting your veggies. Be sure to thoroughly rinse your produce before use. You can begin with the grape tomatoes. After rinsing and drying the tomatoes, cut into halves. Alternatively, you can leave them whole. Next, dice the cucumber. As with the tomatoes, you will begin with rinsing. Peel the cucumber or leave the skin on if you prefer. Halve then quarter the cucumber, then cut into a small to medium dice. Last is the red onion. Thoroughly rinse, then chop into a small dice. Now that your vegetables are prepped, it's time to prepare the dressing. You can begin with the lemons. Cut in half, then use the juicer to obtain the juice from the lemons. Add in the Dijon mustard and whisk until smooth. Continue whisking while slowly adding in the olive oil. By doing so, you are creating what is called an emulsion, a mixture of 2 liquids that do not normally mix. In this case, that is the lemon juice and olive oil. Because the lemon juice is hydrophilic and the oil hydrophobic, this prevents the 2 substances from easily mixing. Because of this, vigorous whisking is required to completely disperse the oil throughout the lemon juice in order to create a stable emulsion. Once emulsified, the vinaigrette should be smooth with no separation between the liquid and oil, and you are ready to proceed to the final steps of the recipe. Add your veggies to the completely cooled quinoa. Drain and rinse the chickpeas using the colander, then add them as well. Stir to combine. Next, drizzle the vinaigrette over the salad. Stir once more to combine, and your salad is complete. When serving, garnish with a lemon wedge and sprinkle with feta cheese if desired. Cover and chill for up to 5 days. Enjoy, and thanks for watching!